Plant is running by dry process.
While updating the status of Captain William Sangma State University, Education Minister Rakkame Sangma said that the construction of administrative block, academic block, boys and girls hostel is completed and 58 posts have been sanctioned, including Vice Chancellor and Registrar. Answering the supplementary question, the Education Minister said the total amount spent on the constructions is 16.96 crores and another additional rupees 5.77 crores has been sanctioned for approach road and others. He further added that the total area of the campus is 100 acres.
So the status of Captain William Sangma State University is: number 1, construction of administrative block and academic block is completed. So number 2, construction of boys and girls hostel completed. Number 3, so 58 posts has been sanctioned, including by Chancellor and Registrar. Speakers, so the total amount spent on construction of the infrastructure is 16.96 crores. The campus area of Captain William Sangma State University is 100 acres of land.